My name is Melissa Crutchfield, and I'm the Director of Community Impact for Episcopal Relief and Development. Episcopal Relief and Development is a faith-based organization that works with partners in almost 40 countries worldwide. Primary focus in three areas: early childhood development, violence against women and children, and climate resilience, in addition to our disaster response and more humanitarian-oriented work. I think a good example that we like to create savings groups from among the beneficiaries of the programs that we have. So if we have a maternal and child health program, for example, we may be working with the women in the communities to help them identify early signs and symptoms of diseases and get treatment and hopefully reduce morbidity and mortality of children, especially under 5. But then we take those same caregivers and create savings groups out of them. So then in addition to just raising awareness around childhood diseases or prevention and treatments, then we've empowered them to give them opportunities to save and create small businesses, and within that we actually create opportunities for learning and exchange among the caregiver groups themselves, like within the individuals that are in the groups. And so it just kind of mutually reinforces both their ability to pay for health services, for example, or just talking a bit more with their group members about different issues and raising awareness, and then empowering them to understand how to resolve some of their own challenges. So I think in the first place, there's another example. We have Mothers to Mothers groups in Kenya, and they're all HIV positive mothers, and it becomes like a support group for themselves. They learn about maintaining the adherence to their meds and certain things, and how to prevent mother-to-child transmission of the disease. But then they have that social network with each other to provide that support. And so I think getting those groups and leveraging the group dynamics itself and knowing that that's very powerful is really the way to approach it. And then from there, the women, their neighbors may recognize, like, oh, you seem happier or whatever. Oh, well, I've been attending this group, and they come invited to be a part. And the savings groups again, are something that's very contagious. People really they see the transformation, and the women are saving it themselves. Nobody's giving them a seed grant to start these savings groups with. I think I really think just the focus on the individual recognition of your own assets, what you have, and again, not just the physical or financial assets or resources, but the perspective that people actually recognize in themselves that they have the power to change. And again, if you empower one person to empower themselves, and then the next person, then together they can create a double impact. And so I think that ripple effect really adds to the social cohesion, and then those communities can be recognized by others and take their own challenges up. And it's something that I think the model of how that ripple effect works is a key to the success of it.